and today we're looking at the Challenger, and we're going to update these headlamps. So this is the stock headlamp on the 22 Challenger ScatPack, 392, and we're going to go ahead and try to update these things. It's pretty horrible to drive in. I'm really surprised that they will put a light like this on a car that costs so much. We're gonna go ahead and try to make some improvements there. All right, so this is under the hood of the 392 Challenger, and it's pretty difficult to get into. Pretty much the same for my wife's. I know there's a 8mm here. I don't think you have to take this whole box out. I did that for her car, and I didn't have to do it. I just took this off here, and I believe I may have taken these off as well to take the top off. And I just shifted the box out just a little bit. It's probably going to be extremely hard to see. See if we can get back there. Let's try this side. And it looks identical on this side, but this one's much easier to get to. Let me see if I can orient the camera so that you guys can see it. It's really hard. But there's a cap under there. The engine is hot. We just got out of the car, but there's a cap under there somewhere. And it's about the size of this, and you just unscrew it and then you can get to the light, and hopefully we'll be able to show you guys that once we get it off. So let me try to let the engine cool down a little bit and then we'll get to it. Alright, so we got the bulb out. This is the stock bulb here. Again, under this cap, under this light right here, straight behind it, the cap here was underneath it. You just twist it and open the cap up. You'll get to the light. There is a connector here. You'll have to twist the light bulb inside of here. If you turn one way and it doesn't go, just turn the other way and you will unlock the light once you twist it, and then you can pull the light bulb out. It was connected here, and we just undo this connector from this bulb here. Let me show you. So the bulb is connected to this. You disconnect these and you can set it out. And here is another look at the bulb that we're replacing it with. This is a look at the bulb here, and it's powered, and we will hook it to that. So recording myself, so I'm gonna have it hooked up and then we'll get back to it. Okay, so just after a couple minutes of messing with this plastic here just literally lifts up, and it gives you almost direct access to where you need to be. Just a little more access to it, so that way I'll be able to if I can get my hand right. So we're going here, we're going in here, in there. It just makes it a lot easier to get access to it because you can kind of see where you're working. So we'll go ahead and put the camera back down, but just let you know, just pop this little piece of plastic up here. That's very simple, and then you can just pop them right back into their points, and it'll go back down flush as it should. Alright, so we got the light bulb installed. I would say probably about 8 or 9 minutes. That's all it would take for the right side, which is the easiest side, and you will again save time by taking off the plastic cover that's right here on the top of the thing. But if you take that cover off, it's much easier. You can get into it. You plug the light up, you twist it and get it back to where it needs to be. You plug the light up and you twist it and get it back to where it needs to be. So this is the new light, and this is the old. As you see that it's almost an amber yellow color, so stark contrast. So yeah, there is a stark contrast in the light bulbs, again, there and there. So yep, that's one side down. We'll go ahead and work on the other side. Okay, so we're back. Again, we're gonna start by taking this plastic piece off. It's literally just 2 connecting points there, and you just kind of lift through here and it'll pop out, and you literally can just lift this up. So I don't believe we're gonna have to move the intake because this is the inter halo, and that's the light there. I'm gonna unscrew here, and I think I can get this light out without taking the air box out. So again, only one filming, so give me a second. We'll be right back and we'll show you how it goes. Okay, so we got both lights installed. Pretty simple install, probably 15 to 20 minutes, and you'll get both of these things installed. So yeah, it looks pretty cool. And next will be the fog lights. We'll get those upgraded as well because they're kind of yellow as well. But yeah, pretty cool. Okay, so as you can see, this is the before and after. Of course, the before is at the bottom and the after is up top. A stark contrast in appearance. It helps the car look tremendously better, helps with safety, and just allows you to be able to see and do those types of things more effectively. So I hope you found this video informative. If you have, please like, share, and subscribe. This is SRT Productions. Peace out.